Free affiliate marketing tools are everywhere online. Are you always in that habit of looking for free tools that can help you to do your affiliate marketing and come out very successful? Yes, there are so many of them out there. And in this video, I'm going to show you 11 of them that is going to actually help you to do your affiliate marketing and come out successful without having to spend any money. Okay, in fact, one of the reasons I like affiliate marketing is for the fact that it has extremely low overhead costs. So you can actually start with nothing. There are many tools that will help you do your keyword research, organize your project, do your marketing, give you so many ideas, try to see what your competitors are doing. And with these tools, you could actually get started with affiliate marketing, almost spending no money. Okay, my name is Francis and welcome back to my channel where I teach you on how to make money online. And also in this channel, I also show you ways you can make your making money online journey easier, and achieve success faster. And if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you're also super welcome. And I will indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content on how to make money online, you'll actually be among the first to be notified. So, onto the 11 free tools that you must have as an affiliate marketer. There are so many tools out there, paid one, free one, and all that. So, but the free one give you that advantage to get started as a beginner easily without spending so much money. Okay, and finding and trying so many free tools to see the one that works best for you could actually be tiring while you are running your business. And who has time to keep trying new stuffs all the time? And that's why I've prepared this video to show you 11 tools that will help the key areas of your affiliate marketing so they can come out and successful. Though some of these free tools could their functionalities could be limited because they are free, but as a beginner, the functionalities that are available could actually get you from the starting point to the point where you're already making some money. And when you're already making some money from this affiliate marketing business, you can actually, go for the paid version. Okay. And so to help you cut costs, starting affiliate marketing or doing affiliate marketing, I've prepared these 11 tools. And without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. The first one is Treeloo. Treeloo is just a user-friendly online tool which help you to organize your project or your affiliate marketing project in the form of different boards or lists. So you can actually plan yourself very well or plan on affiliate marketing projects you wish to take up on without having to stress yourself so much. Treeloo does that for you and it's 100% free. The next one is Buffer. Buffer is an online tool that also help you to share your content on social media platform. You could decide to share it on all your social media platform, and you could decide to share in some selected social media platform. Buffer does that for you and it's free. The next one is Buzzumo. Buzzumo is a marketing and research tool which can actually help you to find out most searched word on the internet, and also it helps you to understand market trends. Okay, so the next one is Ad Comparator. Ad Comparator is also a very good tool that help you to analyze as much as 15 different options. Let's say you're applying different marketing strategies for your affiliate marketing. You could decide to Ad Comparator help you to check or to compare the best strategies. Okay, so that way you don't have to waste so much time trying to go through the strategies one after the other. You can actually implement them at once, and with Ad Comparator, you can pick out the best one, then optimize and increase your budget and do, and focus more on the strategy that works better. Okay, Ad Comparator does that for you. Then the next one is SpyFu. Okay, SpyFu is a keyword research tool where you can see every keyword your other companies or your competitors, bought on Google AdWords. Okay, and when you have this information, you can actually rank your keywords and know how to, prepare your content so that you can have better experience doing your affiliate marketing. The next tool is ClickMeter. ClickMeter is actually very good. Is a link, affiliate, and conversion tracker. Okay, and it has so many other features. All you just have to do is to, put it on your page, and that way you should be able to see your customers, the way your customer interacts with your page, where they coming from, where they got to on your page, where they left. So that way you can easily optimize or re-strategize or recreate or adjust some content on your page so that you can give them better experience and make more sales and have more conversions with your affiliate marketing offers and all that. The next one is PosterMyWall. PosterMyWall is actually a cloud-based kind of photo editing software. That's what I actually use for my YouTube video thumbnails. So the thumbnails you see on this video, I designed it with PosterMyWall, and it's very, very good, just like Canva. Okay, it's very, very good tool that you need to design your covers, your ad banners, and so many things when it comes to your affiliate marketing. And then the next one is Google Calendar. Google Calendar actually makes it easier for you to set days, maybe launching dates for softwares and all that on your affiliate marketing, or maybe the days you want to execute one plan or the other in line with affiliate marketing, or any other thing that or any other online business that you wish to keep track on the dates you need to implement some actions and all that. So Google Calendar does that for you. Then the next tool, the number 9 tool, is Pocket. Pocket actually helps you to save any kind of information immediately online. So assuming you are browsing and you come across a link that you would want to access later, and you could simply click on it and it enters into the Pocket. Okay, the tool is very, very important. It could take text format, video format, audio format. So you can easily, while you are creating your content or doing anything, you can easily save this information or content to revisit them later or whenever you are ready, and it makes the whole experience easier for you, and it makes you work better. Okay, then the next one is Hootsuite. Okay, this social media content sharing platform. This actually helps you to schedule your post, and maybe you want to post on several social media platforms. You could actually schedule your post and all that and get everything automated without you having to be there when the post or the content is being shared online on your social media platform. Okay, so then the next one is Google Alerts. Google Alerts is another tool that is very, very important that any affiliate marketer must have, not should, must have, because Google Alerts actually, it gives you alerts, when it comes to what your competitors are doing. Okay, anytime you could actually put out some keywords you may wish to track. So whenever anybody drops any content about those, words or those keywords or those content that you highlighted, you will be notified. Or when any new content, once it surrounds the keyword that you selected, Google alerts you. So this way you can always keep fresh any new information that comes pertaining your niche or your keyword, and that way you could be able to do your SEO well, optimize your strategies and all that, and be able to come out super successful doing affiliate marketing. Okay, so now that you know these 11 free tools that you can use as an affiliate marketer to better your experience doing affiliate marketing, I hope you jump right into it, get these tools, and start seeing and start trying them out to see the way it can actually help you, perform better with your affiliate marketing. Okay, so having been with me on this video up to this moment, I wish to thank you so much, and I will also indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop content like this that will improve the way you make money online faster and better, you will be among the first to be notified. Okay, so thanks for watching, and see you next time.